Hey there, are you tired of feeling left behind in the ever-evolving world of technology? Want to give your career a boost and stand out in the highly competitive field of IT? Look no further than PaniTech Academy's Microsoft SQL course. This intensive, hands-on bootcamp is the perfect opportunity for individuals looking to jumpstart their IT career. Our expert instructors have real-world experience in the field and are dedicated to providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed. Not only you will learn the ins and outs of Microsoft SQL, but you will also have the chance to work on real projects and solve real-world problems. And let's not forget about the endless job opportunities available to those with a background in SQL. So what are you waiting for? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Sign up at PaniTechAcademy.com or call 202-790-2928, 240-200-6474 today and give your career the boost it needs. Trust us, you won't regret it.